And let's go to plan. Center all of you. I'm here. One more right.
एक सेकंड ना मैं कर रही हूँ
हाँ ले लीजिए आप ले लीजिए
यार ये जरूरी है
यार उस्ताद
संच कमा भी
मेरे मोबाइल पे लेना है
Look here, guys. I'm taking notes.
Good. So girls are excited? Answer the other. Mine is on silent. Oh, mine is with me. Yours is the one which is constantly ringing. क्या शिफ्ट करना है? क्या? क्या हो गया? पीछे करो? चलो चलो स्टार्ट करें।
Guys, roll it.
Wait.
चाहेंगे कि फिल्म का जो अंत था वो काफी क्वेश्चन छोड़ के जाता है, तो ये कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था कि ओपन एंडिंग ही रखनी है। हम पर छोड़ना था कि जो अपने थॉट्स लेके थे।
फिल्म का जो बिगिनिंग होता है, एंड होता है, मिड होता है, ऑब्वियसली सब कुछ कॉन्शियस ही होता है। उस तरीके से तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि अपने आप को ही एंड हो जाता है, बट मुझे लगा था कि ये सबसे लॉजिकल एंड है। मैं ये नहीं चाहती थी कि हम चूज करें उन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए कि वो अगले सुबह क्या करें, और मुझे लगा कि ओपन एंडिंग करेक्ट है इन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए, और ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक भी है, क्योंकि इंडिया में हम बहुत यूज टू हैं कि सब कुछ नीटली टाइप कर देते हैं कि ये हुआ फिर वो खून भरी मांग की तरह कुछ, मतलब वो रिवेंज टाइप की स्टोरी हो जाए, या सब कुछ मतलब नेक्स्ट डे कुछ करके सब कुछ सॉल्व हो जाए। सो आई डिडंट वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एंडिंग, और रियलिस्टिक एंडिंग जो होती है वो उतनी सेटिस्फैक्ट्री शायद नहीं होती। तो आई थॉट इट्स बेटर टू हैव एन ओपन एंडिंग सो दैट पीपल गो बैक विद दोज थॉट्स ऑफ what will those people do। और ऑल्सो मुझे लगता है कि इतना लाइफ इतना कन्वीनियंट नहीं होता है कि आज रात को कुछ हुआ और कल सुबह ही मैं सब कुछ चेंज कर दूंगी। सो आई थिंक इट्स नाइसर दैट इट्स ओपन एंडेड एंड all the women are together, and something has changed inside each of them, and they are more empowered now, but we don't know what they'll do.
The film was banned and then it got released with certain cuts and A certificate. So do you think so in this process, somewhere the story gets diluted, or you could add something more to it, or it could be even more
No,
better?
the film has been released without any deletions. There were just very few cuts which were just like shortening of some of the sex shots. I don't think the story was affected at all. In fact, if you ask anybody who saw the film earlier at a festival and saw it in the theater, they cannot tell at all that anything is gone. So I think we are very fortunate. We have a body like the tribunal which actually certified the film and enabled us to release the film. Guys,
Can I request? The last climax scene, somewhere people were condemning because, that smoking scene, because it doesn't somewhere promote like liberation or women empowerment. So, some people say that it's just quite cliche, just to show that someone is modern. So, you have any take on that?
I think once a filmmaker has made the film and the film is out in public domain, I don't believe in the idea of having to control how people view it and what they take from it. My intent does not matter anymore. What matters is what people get from it. I do feel that there's a lot of judgment of women who smoke and drink, and they're like, oh, she's partying, she's smoking, she's drinking, and we never question men who are doing the same. Not to say that smoking is good, it's terrible for anybody's health, but it's very interesting to see, and I think there's a very interesting article that has come out in the Quint which actually questions why is it that we only judge women who smoke, and we don't say that man didn't get liberated because he was smoking. So I feel we have a lot of double standards, and I think that the film needs to be seen as a whole, and not in terms of whether there was one cigarette or not. And I think, but eventually, you know, it's really up to the person who's watching the film, and everybody's absolutely free to engage with it, critique it, feel whatever they want about it. That's really not up to the makers of the film.
So, Ekta, my question is to you. As a producer, what made you back a film like this? You know, there was a risk that you were taking of sorts because it's a niche film. The audience might or might not have. It's great that they have warmed up to a film like this, and there were, you know, there were a lot of debates happening around it. But what, as a producer, made you back a film like this?
It wasn't a producer's decision. Clearly, I told everyone, I think at the last press conference, that I've actually backed the film because it gave me happiness. And even today, there's nothing, I think, in any of our lives that can matter more than happiness. No professional gain. The professional gain is the cherry topping. मतलब पैसे बने पिक्चर में, ये तो बोलते सोने पे सुहागा. पर मेरे लिए ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था कि ये पिक्चर देखने के बाद मुझे तो ये रिलीज करनी थी. बिकॉज ये बहुत ही मज़ेदार फिल्म थी, ये बहुत सच फिल्म थी, और ये ऐसी फिल्म थी जहाँ लड़कियों को पहली बार एक फिल्म मिली जो उनकी कहानियाँ कह रही है. एंड एज अ फीमेल स्टूडियो हेड, अगर मैं ये फिल्म रिलीज नहीं करती तो मुझे अपने आप पे गुस्सा आता.
Navita, Hannah, what brilliant performances delivered by the both of you. Absolutely loved it. Are you guys overwhelmed by the kind of response that you guys have been personally getting from family, friends, well-wishers? Share your feelings.
Of course, it's been very, I think it's been very heartwarming to actually get the kind of messages that we've been getting from our families and friends, you know. And what is really nice about, you know, about our performance is that, you know, all of us are not being judged by anybody. And that has been really nice, you know. I mean, I was really worried about like how people are. I'm from UP, so I was very worried.
And you're from Northeast, right?
Yeah, you know कि UP से मतलब calls आएंगे तो how would they, you know, react to this whole thing?
Have they reacted adversely?
Actually, you know, my mother is an officer, and her colleagues are like a lot of DIG officers. And one of her colleague called yesterday. He's a DIG officer in Banaras, and he goes and watches every film. And he said he came out of the film and he called me, and he's like, Ahana, the film is so entertaining. You're not saying such important things,
Right.
but it's saying it so in such a you know in such a light way. But it's saying such important things to us. And as men, you know, we have been conditioned to think in a certain way. But I think, you know, this film should really be able to, you know, open the minds of people, men, women, both. So I think that has been like a really positive response towards this film. And people have been coming to us wherever we are going. Women are just coming to us and talking to us about the film. And things that they have really personally experienced in their life. And I think they can see each one of them in each one of us. So I think
Navita,
that's
what
good.
about you?
जैसे एकता करती है, she's a role model. आप इसी तरह से आगे आपकी बोलेगी तो तभी आवाज आएगी. और बस ये अपना ये है कि बात सब तक पहुंचे. अब बोलिए.
I was also very overwhelmed, and obviously thanks to Ekta that this film has now reached so much, like more than where it could have been otherwise. But the best part is what I was telling them earlier. Alankrita has been receiving messages and letters from, you know, like from women saying that this is our story. And you know, there was one where somebody wrote that this is our story, we are living this life. You know, it's my cousin's life, it's my sister's life, it's my mother's life, it's my life. And they said that it's just, even though there's no solution to it, but at least while watching this, we feel that we're not alone. And I think that really, it made me cry, and I really felt that, I don't know, I'm just very happy that this film has come out and everybody's getting to watch it.
Okay,
मैडम सबका पूछने दीजिए ना. एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम, हम सबको पूछने दीजिए, सब मीडिया से. तो उनको पूछने दीजिए ना, सुनिए तो सीनियर है सबसे.
नहीं ऐसे तो करते हैं. सबसे पीछे.
नहीं सर, आप पूछिए.
Very good evening to all of you.
Sumit, you're a role model.
He's everyone's favorite.
Many congratulations for the film, and as you see, like we are also giving you a standing ovation.
We love you.
The shine is back on your face now. जो काफी समय से थोड़ा सा नहीं था.
कम था ना?
तो is this
I did not meeting you. मुझे पता होता तो ये शाइन वापस आ जाता.
But this film has rejuvenated you and bring back the faith which you had.
So actually, अगर आप पीछे रुचिका स्माइल कर लीजिए, जो लास्ट हमको जो ये फिल्म एक्चुअली सेंसर्स एक स्ट्रगल था और रिलीज दूसरा स्ट्रगल था. So there were two things that were happening simultaneously. एक अलंकृता की और प्रकाश जी की क्या जद्दोजहद थी इसका सेंसर लाना, दूसरा था हमारा रिलीज करना. बिकॉज हमें एक वाइब था इंडस्ट्री में कि ये फिल्म पहले दिन 20 लाख से ज़्यादा नहीं करने वाली है, और इस फिल्म का जो 2 करोड़ या 2.5 करोड़ 2 करोड़ 20 लाख का PNA, हाँ वो इसलिए 400 स्क्रीन, इसलिए कोई टीवी ऐड नहीं दिया हम लोगों ने. तो वो जो बजट है वो पैसे भी वापस नहीं आएंगे. तो इससे कि ऐसी कोई फिल्म नहीं आई है फेस्टिवल फिल्म जो 5 करोड़ PNA क्या बोलते 5 करोड़ बॉक्स ऑफिस कर ले. Guys, what is going on? I can't do this.
बंद कर दो यार.
So वो प्रॉब्लम ये था कि इसकी कवरेज की प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, और हमें ऐसा लगा कि अब एक चीज़ है कि आपको पता है कि आपको सारे इंडस्ट्री के ग्रेड्स जो हैं ये कह रहे हैं कि बॉस ये बॉम्बे के 2 मल्टीप्लेक्स में 4 शोज़ के लिए चलेगी और उसके बाद आपको अच्छे रिव्यूज़ मिलेंगे. जिस रीज़न के लिए आपने फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की हो खुश रहो, थोड़ा रिव्यूज़ तो मिल जाएंगे, आपका ब्रांड तो बन जाएगा. और मुझे इतना बुरा इस बात का लग रहा था कि अगर ये फिल्म को नंबर्स नहीं आए ना तो ऐसी फिल्में बनेंगी नहीं. तो आज अगर हमें बनाना, आज इस अलंकृता की ये फाइट के बाद, ये फिल्म के बाद जो इसने एक इतनी सीरियस सब्जेक्ट को इतना एंटरटेनिंग बनाकर दिखाया है, लोगों को मज़ा भी आ रहा है और सोच भी रहे हैं, ये अगर नहीं होता ना आज तो ये जो बोलते हैं टाइप की फिल्में नहीं बनती.
Do you think this is a win not only for the society but also